Hello everyone and welcome to Learn German. You are not a beginner anymore and your German should sound like it. You've learned how to introduce yourself and ask for directions and order a coffee. But now you're ready for more authentic, more confident, more natural. Let's look at 10 German phrases that show you are not just learning German, you're starting to live it. Here's the first one. Instead of always saying, Ich möchte gern einen Tee, try, Ich hätte gerne einen Tee. It's polite, natural, and just a little more elegant. You'll hear it everywhere in cafes, Bäckereien, and even at the doctor's. And do you want to sound more subtle? Skip the Ja-Nein. Say, Es kommt darauf an. It depends. Short, smart, and sounds like a real conversation. Let's look at the third one. Instead of saying, Ich weiß nicht, try, Ich bin noch nicht so sicher. It's softer, more thoughtful, and still honest. Here's the fourth one. When someone invites you to do something, for example, Wollen wir trinken gehen? And you are in, instead of just saying Ja, try, Ich bin dabei. It's short, confident, and something native speakers say all the time. Whether it's about a plan, an event, or even a group chat. You'll hear this in the friend network, work settings, and even WhatsApp groups. Moving on to the next one. Want to show that you really get it? Simply say, Ich verstehe, was du meinst. Not just words, it also shows a connection. Very common during conversations when someone is telling you about how they are feeling. Here's how to express your opinion politely but clearly. Ehrlich gesagt, ich finde das ein bisschen kompliziert. You can start the sentence with ehrlich gesagt and tell what you feel. It's how Germans say what they really think, tactfully. Sometimes you're in a situation where a direct question with warum or something else could be very blunt. Try to say, Ich hätte eine Frage, wenn's okay ist. Instead of saying, Kannst du mich vertreten? That's an example. You could ask, Ich hätte eine Frage, wenn's okay ist. Könntest du mich vertreten? This is super useful in class, in meetings, and even in friendly chats. If you're not sure but you don't want to sound lost, this is the phrase you could use. So genau weiß ich das nicht. Feels humble but also grown up. When someone suggests something and you are in, for example, Wollen wir heute ins Kino gehen? You could answer with Klingt gut. It's quick, modern, and sounds natural. Sometimes things or situations are uncertain. Instead of directly saying Nein or vielleicht, you can say Mal schauen. You will hear this all the time in daily German. These phrases are small but powerful. They show that you are not just memorizing, you are thinking in German. You are connecting. You are becoming fluent. Try to practice them in your daily conversations in German. By the way, if you're serious about learning German, don't forget, we offer completely free and well-structured courses for beginners and intermediate learners. You can learn at your own pace, access plenty of materials, and join a community full of real success stories. Just check out the links below and start your journey today. See you in the next lesson and happy learning! Become a member today and gain access to extra content for this video and much more. You can also get a free worksheet by joining our Patreon page. Danke. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!